Hello everyone, this is Aerobot Rotation and Robot. Automatic spraying production. Line robots use visual recognition. Technology potion. Grab and rotate the workpiece then proceed to automatic spraying operation production. Line editable for workpieces of all shapes and size, high precision. Spraying results can be AKV dribbit. Rotation and robot automatic. Spraying production lineate has the advantages of high efficiency, precision and environmental protection. It can greatly improve production efficiency and quality radius, labor costs and environmental pollution.